Wood-burning fireplaces are the oldest structures made to heat homes. Despite the old concept, they are still popular. There have been some new technology advances to make them more efficient and simpler to install, maintain, and use. While some models are designed to look like a classic fireplace, there are some totally contemporary looks, styles, and designs available in the market. Now, make sure your wood fireplace installer is licensed to do so in your country or state. There's a certification system for wood-burning fireplace installers in most countries that ensures your safety. The good thing about wood-burning fireplaces is that they are an off-grid source of heat. It means that they heat your room in a power outage, and you can even cook over some models. That is probably the most important reason why they are still popular. Although power outages are very rare these days, they still happen and can affect our entire lives, sometimes for a number of days. The other reason wood-burning fireplaces are still popular could be that some people have access to a large amount of wood for free or a very low cost. The smell and the style, the crackling sound and the feeling of a real fire are some obvious reasons for their popularity in the market. Most wood-burning fireplaces are constructed of heavy brickwork with masonry chimneys. In most cases, you have a wood-burning fireplace that was built in the house at the time of the original construction. There are some factory-built wood-burning fireplaces in the market with stainless steel chimneys that can be installed as a new build. Now, something you want to have in mind is that depending on the layout of your house and the placing of the fireplace, you may have to open a window to provide air pressure to start a fireplace. Imagine opening a window right in the middle of the winter. That could be frustrating. I had some customers that didn't know at all about wood-burning fireplaces and really hated opening a window in the middle of the winter. So make sure to ask about this from your fireplace dealer if you are thinking about having a wood fireplace. The other thing is that if you want to add a wood-burning fireplace to a finished construction, it requires that you make a chimney for it. The chimney is very prominent, which can look somehow out of place on new homes. Besides, adding a masonry chimney to a finished construction can cost you big. So for a finished construction, a gas fireplace may be a better choice.